This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and welcome to the 2026 craft room tour. I have redone the room here with the hubby to move stuff around so that it's much more open. So this is when you walk in, and I still have, let me zoom out a little bit. I still have the calyx units from IKEA. I don't remember if we had this shelf up last year, but we put this shelf up. I went ahead and hung up these on the back of my door from the old craft room. And I went ahead and put a TV from another spot in the house that we didn't use up on the wall. We did a lot over the past 2 days in this room while we had a couple of days off. So I purchased another, what is this, a two box unit, calyx unit, and purchased a board from Home Depot or Lowe's, painted that, sanded it and painted it, and put it across there. And let's see, we put these shelves up right here. That's new. I got this little Lazy Susan thing from IKEA and then just put my inks on it right there. I am in the process of redoing my dies so that I can coordinate those. Let me move the chair and have them labeled, I guess. That is a big project. This is from clearance from IKEA. I hardly ever go there, but I went there and out of the blue that was there, but it opens up and there's storage inside. Don't have anything in it yet, which is good. But the dogs like being there and looking out the window during the day. Then under here, we have the two Roscog, I think you call it. Just the little rolly carts, right? But I finally have my spot here for sewing, because the issue has been that we didn't put a hole through the countertop until today. So we did that. Hubby cut through that over in the corner right there so that I could get my cords all through. And that's gonna finally let me be able to sew right here in the spot where it was planned. We put these shelves up, these corner shelves. They actually came out of a corner cabinet with the kitchen cabinets that we had purchased on Marketplace when we did this a couple of years ago. But we saved those shelves and we finally put them up. Then, see my little doodle bugs right there. I got all of these clear bins, the little drawers from Dollar Tree, but I need to figure out what I want to do with those. Then I put up one more of these shelves here, these clear acrylic shelves. And let's see, other things that I have changed. I definitely went through my paper and stamps. I have huge bins of stuff to get rid of, and that's been key for me. But this is, I just put one of my lamps up there so I have better lighting, because I use that for videoing usually when it's on my desk. But this is the big area that we moved around. So these units used to be over there where I first showed you where my desk is. And I felt like this space was being underutilized. These are pretty deep. And so it works out perfect that this is a good space now for all of these drawers. And these ones were across this back wall instead. So we turn those and then move these all the way over here. It works perfect because I can actually get to a plug, and I needed a plug for this unit right here because it's lit. So I still have my Gemini and Brother, and these come out. The drawer pulls out, which is really functional. And of course, the laminator that I use. And this is really just, other than this, storage for me. So lots of stuff here still. This is all the same fabric, still all the same, just my extra storage. So I am still going through a lot of stuff here, but I did change this other unit a little bit. Excuse me. But all the odds and ends that I had on one of my other shelves for, you can see this is dark, so I need to put some lighting in here. But all the odds and ends that I had for beads and stuff, I moved it to here so that it doesn't look as cluttered. I still have all of my bunches of seam binding and ribbons, and all of my ribbons still in the drawer here, color coordinated. These are all ephemera pieces and stuff that I desperately need to sort through, and some extra papers. So I'm going through it, but it is taking a long time. These are, the stuff in here is all the same. I'm rearranging it a bit, but because I'm trying to get rid of things. So it's still extra storage, paper. How long have I had like papers like this that you used to put in your printer? Oh my gosh, so many things. Bags, it's envelopes. So I'm trying to organize it, but it takes a long time, folks. This is all wood, as you guys know, because once you put it somewhere, then you're like, oh, I have more. And that's really hard, but that is the reason why I gotta get rid of some stuff. And use it or lose it, but simplify. Pencils, you know, the things, the extra scissors, the extra glue, the extra junk, gotta get rid of it. Packaging stuff, right? Just gotta get rid of it, or use it. Projects I gotta go through. It's a little bit overwhelming, right? Stickers. I started going through my stickers. I need to do a lot better job of destashing because I have way too many, and you know they're gonna go bad, but I can't use them fast enough. This is the only drawer I have left of Christmas because I moved the Christmas stuff into one of those bins down there. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy here. But it's given me extra space. Yay, I'm trying to get more of this. So these are, stuff that I've made or tag swaps that I've been in. And so, project for Country Craft Creations here. But anyway, these are all tags. So I really want to just take them apart, use them, give them away, that kind of thing with gifts. And then this is still paint. So that is all the same. Let me see, what else did I change here? I coordinated all of my cardstock here, and that was like a day's worth of work, but it was fun. But let's see. So in here I have fall and Thanksgiving. So this is the fall and Thanksgiving. This is Christmas. Trying to do good, trying to get rid of stuff. I need to put those away. I went ahead and ordered a whole bunch, like 1,400 photos. It got me through the second half of last year so that I can just plug away. This is the last thing I've just been doing. And I got these pieces of wood, these small pieces of wood from Dollar Tree. Hubby went ahead and glued it and put it, backed it on another piece of wood. What the heck do you call it? Plywood, a piece of plywood. And these are letters that I've had on this desk for probably 2 years now that I've been meaning to make this dang sign, and said I have to do it. So today was the day. Now I need to do my painting and putting this all on, but I think it's super cool. I got all these letters from Joann's, and whatever. that kind of thing. So I love it. I'm in love with it. I cannot wait to keep crafting here and just have a lot of fun. Working on my junk journals right now. My friend gave me this one a couple of years ago, and I've been hoarding it basically because it's so beautiful. But lovely trip that I took for Christmas with my girls and my mom, and that let me print out some of those photos my daughter gave me for Christmas so that I can get started with the junk journaling. I'm really in love with this too. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun here. I hope you all enjoy seeing this little video, and yeah, give me a thumbs up. I am gonna try to get back to my crafting regularly and posting some little short videos. But until next time, everyone, happy scrapping you all. Goodbye.